Hi there! You're about to find out the world's best under $300 drone in 2019. Having used some of the best drones in the marketplace, including the Dji Mavic Pro, Inspire, and Phantom 4, among others, the Altair Outlaw GPS drone comes with camera and live video, 1080p, return home, long-range Wi-Fi, and a 20-minute flight time, making it the perfect RC FPV quadcopter with remote control. It's the ideal GPS drone for beginners, kids, and adult pilots. And it sells for only $279 on Amazon. This price is a steal as it pars with other high-end, costlier drones. You know what? Relax, sip a cup of tea, and watch the following video preview of the best affordable drone of 2019.
Hey, this is Mike from Altair, and we're just going over what's in the box when you get your new Altair Outlaw. So if you open up the box, you're going to find the styrofoam container. It's going to have the direction book. It's going to have a little warning. We don't want you to ever leave your LiFo batteries charging unattended. Another warning, don't ever fly this drone indoors. This is an outdoor drone only. Keep that in mind. You're going to have the batteries, and it's going to come with this tiny little black cap installed over the pins. In order to install that into the drone, you have to take this plug out, so be aware of that. You got the drone with 4 propellers already installed. No battery, that's where the battery is going to go. Camera on the front. Okay. Got the drone charger, battery charger. This is a mount for your phone, to mount your phone with the controller. This is a little baggie with a screwdriver for battery installation. This wrench here is for uninstalling and installing the propellers. And these silicone circles are also for installing the propellers. Please don't lose those. You're going to need those. And the remote control is underneath, right here. And there's a set of extra propellers underneath as well. So that's everything that comes in the box. Just make sure you have everything. Hey, this is Mike from Altair, and we're talking about the Altair Outlaw today, and we're going to do the steps to fly, okay? The first thing I want to talk to you about is that this is not an indoor drone. Do not try to fly the Altair Outlaw inside your house or inside of anywhere. This is a professional quality drone, and it would be dangerous to fly indoors. So please fly only outdoors in open spaces with low wind, okay? So to get started, we're just going to install the battery and lock it, set it down. You're going to get some beeps and some lights. When it's done beeping, hold the red button down on the top left side of the controller and turn it on. When you see these signal bars here, that means it's connected to the drone. The next thing you're going to need to do is the compass calibration. You spin the drone horizontally 3 times until the lights change like that. Okay, and the lights have changed to a different green color. Now you hold it vertically with the camera pointed down and spin it 3 times until the lights change again. See, so now you've got the yellow and the red. Set it down, and you are now ready to fly. You can unlock the aircraft with the red button on the top left. The propellers are going to unlock, and you can now use the controllers to fly. And to shut it down, you push the left stick down, and it's locked and shut down again. Just once again, be very careful with this drone. It is a drone for ages 14 plus, and it is a drone that you should fly outdoors in open spaces in low wind. Thank you. Hey, this is Mike from Altair, and we're talking about the Altair Outlaw, the X-Copter app, and taking pictures and video. So if you want to come take a look at my phone, if you have the X-Copter app installed and you connect it, in the last video we showed you how to connect it, you're going to see what the drone sees. And you can take pictures. You can mount this with your camera mount and hold it on your controller, and you could do a 3D view, you can take a picture, you can take a video, and you can flip it 180 degrees. You can hide the menu so you don't have to see the menu. And then you can go into your files, and these are your TF card files. It says TF right there in very small letters. If you have a TF card, memory card in your drone, you'll be able to see the pictures and videos from there. If you don't, then they'll be saving to your phone, and you go into here and you can see the pictures that you were taking. So this is the app connected to the Outlaw, and that's how you take pictures and video and view them. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. You can get the Altair Outlaw GPS drone with camera and more of its amazing features via the link below this video in the description.